In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Google Calendar. This process will help you keep all of your tasks and deadlines in one convenient place, ensuring that everything is seamlessly synchronized between these two powerful tools. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website. Simply open up your favorite browser and enter the Asana URL to get started. Once you're on the home page, glance towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Up next, you'll see a few options to log in, but for this integration, we'll focus on using your Google account. Select Continue with Google, and then choose the Google account you'd like to use with Asana. With that done, you'll now find yourself logged into Asana. You'll want to head over to the left panel of your screen. This is where all your projects are listed. Navigate through to the project you're aiming to integrate with Google Calendar. Clicking the project will bring you directly into its main interface. Now, let's look for the Customize option. You'll find this at the top right corner of your project page. Once you click it, you'll see a range of customizable features that Asana offers to streamline your workflow. For our purpose today, you'll want to focus on the integrations that come under the Apps heading. Move your cursor to the Add button that's readily visible in the same top right corner. Clicking Add opens up a drop-down menu where you should see various options. You're looking for the one labeled App. Another click brings you a step closer to linking your beloved calendars. In the list of apps, locate Google Calendar. It should appear as one of the first few options. After selecting Google Calendar, you'll see an option that says Add to Project. This is a crucial step as it essentially binds the integration to your chosen project. A small word of caution here. As you proceed, you may be prompted to confirm your permission for Asana to interact with Google Calendar. If you see this prompt, make sure to allow the access and select the appropriate Google Calendar account. Finally, there might be an additional pop-up asking how you wish to set up the automation between Asana and Google Calendar. This is entirely customizable to your preference and work style, whether you'd like tasks you add in Asana to show up automatically in Google Calendar or vice versa. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Asana with Google Calendar. You can now enjoy having all your tasks and scheduling synced across these two platforms, creating a more organized and efficient workflow. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.